video?
No. Yeah.
Hey, do you guys know who I am? Let me tell you something about Somali man. Do you guys remember who I am? My name is Muhubo. Okay? Muhubo. You guys might remember me from my previous YouTube videos talking about Somali people and how Somali men are so jacked up. Okay? One more thing. You Somali men are always, constantly talking about females. Alright? And yes, Mr. Obama, we support you. We want you back for next year. Just like I said in my last YouTube video. Okay? Let me tell you something else about Somali people. Somali people talk too goddamn much. Okay? That's how much they talk about. Somali guys are always talking like assholes. Fuck Somali guys. Fuck them.
You guys look at me first.
Fuck Somali guys. You bastards. Fat fucks. I ain't funny fucks. Fuckers. Fuck fucks. Yo, real talk, this little man right here, I know what I was trying to impersonate, that little girl named Muhubo, or whatever the fuck your name is. I don't give a fuck what your name is, honestly, honest to God. I'm doing this video because, listen, man. Let's cut to the chase, alright? Alright? This is what the whole world wants to know. Whether they watching your videos from Australia to New Zealand, alright? I don't give a fuck, alright? But the reason I'm here making this video and your response is this. Who said this? Mr. Obama, we Somali people want you back. Bitch, I'm fucking Republican. Alright? I don't give a fuck about Obama. Obama didn't do shit for me. Alright? Obama don't give me no 20s. Obama don't let me work. Obama don't let me work, bitch. Nah, I'm just fucking me. You ain't no bitch. Listen, I don't disrespect Somali females in any other way or any other color. But let me tell you one little thing, alright? Please, just listen, man. Just do the world a little break, alright? Talk about something we want to hear on YouTube or something we want to see, like for instance, fucking entertainment. Not about. Did you see these Somali guys on that YouTube video? Shout out to niggas. I don't give a fuck. All right. Just when you say they and them and all those type of words, who the fuck you referring to? Huh? Are you not Somali? Huh? You putting the Somali people down. All right. So let me just tell you one more thing. And listen, don't get this twisted. I don't want this becoming a YouTube beef battle between Facebook and YouTube, alright? Because shit, I will win. You don't know me, alright? My name is Littleman, and I got my niggas Littleman Entertainment, which is Ashloguder, and my newest actor, Muhubo, the one that I just played right now. I know y'all like the jewelry, you feel me? Stole it from my mom's. Feel me? Bang, bang, bang! Stole it from my mom's, you feel me? Her little dirham that I was wearing from her aros last night. You feel me? Here's my little earrings that I taped to my ears. But yeah, other than that, you feel me? Just do me a favor, alright? Stop making these complicated videos. Period. Do the whole world a break. Talk about something we want to hear, not something. Listen, I'm not gonna sit here and disrespect you and say like, nah, yeah, hijab kahara, ilahi kabak. Yeah, you do got a big ass forehead, but other than that, what I'm trying to tell you is this. I'm not that type of person. You feel me? And I'm gonna repeat, you do got a big ass forehead. You know, it don't hurt to cover it up sometimes. I'm not talking about a hijab, but probably just wear a fucking hat sometimes. Damn. And one more thing, man. Who the fuck are you to say they and them with your own people? Come on now. What if we exclude you from our society? Huh? You won't like it, would you? No, you wouldn't. Boss! Littleman Entertainment, fam. Follow me on Facebook.